So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to find your zip code for any of your debit card. So basically, what is the zip code? So the debit card zip code is in the billing address connected to your debit card. It is used to verify your identity for online or ATM transactions. So how do you find them? So there are much options for you to able to find it. So basically, this is what debit card looks like. So there are a few options, which is you could log in using your mobile application or website, which is your bank's, and just simply go to the settings and look for the billing address. So basically, the billing address mostly look like this. So it has your information, which is the name, the address, the city and country, as well as the province. And as you can see right here, it also includes your zip and postal code. So basically, that is your zip code from your debit card. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.